Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news for Formula One fans as the full list of driver numbers for the 2025 F1 season has been confirmed. With a few surprises and changes, we're going to break down all the key details, so let's dive straight in. Starting with the top, the reigning world champion Max Verstappen will stick with his iconic number 1 for the 2025 season. This isn't a huge surprise as Verstappen is on top of the world right now, and it's clear he's taking that number with him as a mark of his dominance in recent years. But what about his teammate at Red Bull, Sergio Perez? Well, he's keeping his number 11 for another season. This is his preferred number, and given his consistent performance, it's a number we're all familiar with. Moving on, Ferrari's Charles Leclerc will keep his number 16, which has become synonymous with his name over the years. And the same goes for Carlos Sainz, who will continue using number 55. For these two, their numbers have become almost as famous as their on-track battles. Now, when we look over to Mercedes, Lewis Hamilton, one of the greatest drivers in F1 history, will retain his number 44. This number has become an emblem of his legendary career, and of course it's great to see it continue into 2025. George Russell, his teammate, will maintain number 63, which he's used since his F1 debut. This number is still relatively fresh in the sport, but it's quickly becoming associated with Russell's rise through the ranks. Let's take a look at some of the newer faces for 2025. Oscar Piastri, who has been making waves at McLaren, will keep number 81. This number has brought him success so far, and it's clear the team's invested in him long-term. Lando Norris, his teammate, remains with number 4, a number that's become closely linked to his growing stature in the sport. At Aston Martin, Fernando Alonso will continue with number 14, a number he's been attached to throughout his career, while his teammate Lance Stroll keeps his number 18, a personal favorite that suits his strong presence on the grid. Over at Alpine, Esteban Ocon will carry number 31, while Pierre Gasly, who is quickly becoming a fan favorite, will keep his number 10. This pairing at Alpine has the potential to be exciting, and these numbers represent their ambitions going into the next season. There's also a shift happening at Williams. Alex Albon is sticking with number 23, while Logan Sargent, the American talent, will continue with number 2. Williams is building for the future, and these numbers are going to be key to their ongoing development. And lastly, for the new teams and changes on the grid, we'll have to watch out for the number allocations. But for now, it looks like these numbers reflect the F1 hierarchy for 2025. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning that while some drivers have stuck with their traditional numbers, others have made subtle shifts, or they're sticking with the numbers they've become comfortable with. The number each driver chooses says a lot about their identity and their place on the grid, and it's always fun to see how this evolves season after season. So there you have it, folks, the full list of confirmed driver numbers for the 2025 F1 season. What do you think about the numbers? Any surprises for you? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Formula One updates. We'll see you in the next one.